In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized Jira dashboard and configure its gadgets step by step. First, open Jira in your browser and go to the For You section. This is usually where Jira highlights work that's most relevant to you. From here, look toward the navigation area where you can access dashboards. Click on the highlighted Dashboards option so you're taken to the main Dashboards page. On the Dashboards page, find and click the Create Dashboard button. This opens the dashboard creation form. In the first highlighted field, type a clear, descriptive name for your dashboard. For example, something that reflects the project or team it's for. In the next highlighted field, you can add a description. This is helpful later so others, or even you, know exactly what the dashboard is meant to show. Next, you'll see options to control who can access this dashboard. Click on the private option that's highlighted. You may see this a few times as you confirm the privacy setting in drop-downs or menus. Keep choosing private if you want the dashboard to be visible only to you. When you're happy with the name, description, and privacy settings, click Save. You're now taken into the dashboard editor. To start adding content, click on the Add button. A panel opens where you can choose a gadget. Click on the highlighted gadget option, then confirm by clicking the next highlight, and finally click Add to place the gadget on your dashboard. Once the gadget is added, it will show configuration options. Click on the highlighted project or filter field to define what data the gadget should display. Switch to advanced search when prompted so you can pick more specific sources. In the pop-up, you'll see different tabs such as Starred and Projects. Click on Projects and then again if needed until you see a list of available projects. Choose the project you want, such as your Kanban space, by clicking its name. Back in the gadget settings, continue clicking each highlighted field to refine the view. For example, select a status like To Do, then adjust filters such as a saved filter, assignee, and due date. For each of these, click on the corresponding highlight and choose the appropriate option from the drop-down. Finally, confirm each setting by clicking the highlighted Apply or Save areas within the gadget. When you're done, you'll have a dashboard that pulls in the right project status, filters, and fields, giving you a clear, focused view of your work in Jira.